Hey friends, today we will see how to force a set of files to be stored on the SSD disk rather than the HDD disk. So SSD disk is the faster disk and HDD disk is the slower disk. So you combine this to create a optimized file server. But there are situations where uh, a file storing in a HDD disk, and whenever it requires, it needs to be moved to the SSD disk. It's a algorithm which is written, and sometimes for some application it doesn't work best. So sometimes we have some irritated customers who said always my file access is very slow. What is this? What is this optimizer? So they don't understand this concept. So to pacify them, to or to avoid their to frustration, what we do is we pin the files of pin their files to the SSD disk. By this way, they don't have to worry about the access part moving between the HDD and SSD, and causing slowness and other things. So all their files will be always on the SSD disk, and it will be always faster for them. So let's see how to do that. So we are going to do that in the PowerShell. Okay. So I have opened the PowerShell. I'm going to type connect to my server from my desktop using PowerShell. Enter -ps session. Okay, I'm already connected. Okay. I'm going to create two variables. Okay. One is for the HDD disk variable, and another is for HDD disk variable. So disk HDD tire, another for HDD tire. So first I will create a variable for HDD tire. Why we do this? Because it will be easy for us in the further commands to reference the disk, reference the file to the disk. Okay, so that's why we are creating these variables. So this is the variable dollar $HDD tire equal to get storage tr. Okay, user hyphen file hyphen storage underscore Microsoft underscore HDD underscore template. So this will pull all the disks which are related of the HDD type to HDD tier variable. Okay. Similarly, we are going to create for SSD tier. Okay. The command is almost similar with slight variation. I will show you the command. So it's dollar $SSD tier equal to get hyphen storage tier user hyphen file hyphen storage underscore Microsoft underscore SSD underscore template. So this will pull all the SSD disk and assign it to the SSD drive. Okay. Now we have created two disks. Now our goal is to put a set of files in the only in the SSD tier. Pin it to the SSD tier so that it doesn't go to the HDD tier. So I'm going to run a set of PowerShell commands. So what I'll this is the command I'm going to run. So it's for each okay files in get child item H drive recurs. So it will pull all the files in this H drive. Okay, and for each file in this H drive, set file storage tr hyphen file path dollar file dot full name. Okay, this is the parameter that you have to give for set file storage tr. Okay, hyphen file path dollar file dot full name hyphen desired storage tr. This parameter is very important. Hyphen desired storage tr dollar SSD tier. So we have already mapped the SSD disk to this variable. Okay. I use this error action because some files are system files which are stored in this H drive. So they will give out errors. So I have given, if error comes, silently continue. Okay. So this is the important. So set file storage tier. Okay. Hyphen file path. You can give where the actual file is. Desired storage tier. Dollar SSD tier, which will map it to the SSD storage. So I will hit enter. It's going to pull all the files in my H drive, and it's going to assign the desired storage status SSD tier. So it's going to by default always stored in SSD disk. It's going to take some time for the command to complete, since I have change it and run. Uh, yeah, now it ran. So it completed. Let's verify the status of the storage. So get hyphen file storage tier hyphen volume drive letter H drive. Okay. So this is going to list me all the files. Now you can see the status OK. This fail. I'll scroll top. So we can see the state OK. It means that the desired storage is now SSD storage. Okay. And one which says pending, it means that it will be optimized next time. Whichever is saying pending, it's still not on that, still not moved. Okay. Whichever is saying OK, it's already moved to the desired storage stage. So this is how you pin up files to the your desired SSD storage, or HD. If you want to store it in HDD storage, then the command is just the same. It will be for each file in get child item h recurs set storage file path full name desired location. Rather than $SSD tier, I am going to type HDD tier. Hit continue, and it will store all your files in the HDD files. So this is how you configure a particular file to stay on the SSD or HDD drive. By this way, you avoid irritated customers, and help have a good feedback. I hope this has been useful for you, and thank you for watching.